Hello and welcome to Indulge. My name is Aisha. Joining me today is someone who is hot property right now in the OTT platform space in India. His new show, Scam 1992, is being watched by everyone across India and has already garnered some rave reviews. Please welcome Pratik Gandhi, who plays the role of Harshad Mehta in the series. Hi, Pratik.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. And what a fantastic performance.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'm so glad you watched it, you liked it.
Yeah, Pratik, it was really very engaging, intriguing, everything this show, and especially because it rests on your shoulders, and I think you've really like kind of done a good job with it.
I mean, that's a big compliment coming from you. So thank you very much.
So tell me, Pratik, how did the show happen? How did you back the role?
Uh, uh, so I have been around from last almost 15, 16 years.
Hmm.
Uh, I'm coming from a Gujarati theater background. So I had done a lot of theaters. I've been doing theater from last 15, 16 years. I had done a lot of Gujarati films also of lately. And Hansal sir has watched my two Gujarati films, which is Beyar and Wrong Side Raju, that won national award in 2016. And I guess that's how he must have. That's what he told me. That's when he thought that I will be able to pull it off. Then when they started casting up for this particular series, I had gone for an audition also. So my audition, he's watched my earlier work and my theatre stint also that he knew, and Harshad Mehta being Gujarati, so uh, that was another added advantage for me that I'm also Gujarati. So adding those regional flavor or the flavor for the language, all those things also worked out. So all these things put together, I could I was selected, and that's the big thing happened to me.
Hmm. Did you anticipate that the show would be such a big hit?
Frankly speaking, I had all the reasons to think that it is going to be a good show because Hansel sir was involved, Applause was involved, Sony was involved, and a lot of experienced people were, behind this entire thing. But I had no idea that it will become so big,
Hmm.
and everybody is talking about it. So I mean, it's surreal right now. It's difficult for me to believe that it's happening for real.
I think the beauty of the show is that you have just put in life into a character which I have not seen Harshad Mehta in real. Okay, a lot of things,
Yeah.
we talk about historical biopics. We also talk about biopics on people who are alive. There was a biopic on MS Dhoni. You have references, but how did you prepare for the for the role, for the character? Because you did not have any live reference, and also, I mean, he's not a historical figure that people would have written this is how he walked and this is how he dressed.
Yeah.
So how did you prepare for the role?
So, see, for Harshad Mehta per se, there is a lot of material available on the internet in terms of the technicalities of the entire scam and how he was involved. And there are a lot of theories also around him that he must have done that, he must have done that, and all those things. But you are absolutely correct when you say that there are no references in terms of him as a person, as a personality, which is a human part of it. So that was a challenging thing for us to approach, and that's where I collectively we decided that we'll approach that human aspect of him. So for whatever that I have read about him or I have seen about him, I've met people who have worked closely with him or something, and our script itself is 550 pages script, so it's a detailed research material in itself. By after reading everything, we decided to create those characteristics which will make him alive, which will make this character human. And that's where I have worked the most, like his ego or his confidence, his passion, that arrogance. So this entire journey from the confidence to overconfidence to arrogance is what we were trying to unfold, and that's how I have tried to create that character.
And also, again, another thing about the series itself is every person who has been cast is just perfect for that role. I mean, the casting couldn't have been better than this. But how was the whole mood on sets, when you have such a like kind of very engaging kind of script, at the same time you have so many good actors? So what was it like? Everybody was very serious into their thing, or was it lighter atmosphere? What was it like?
Oh, not at all. It was absolutely a lighter experience on set. So So writing each and every scene, dialogues, and Hansal sir, I guess, has lived with this script for almost 3 years, or maybe more than. So makers and the entire technical team was absolutely clear. Now, as far as concerned, so working with brilliant actors all around is a brilliant experience. Everybody was, everybody was making that moment live. So we were more into actions and reactions rather than just saying the lines. In fact, there are a lot of actors that I have worked with stage because there are a lot of from Gujarati theatre background, like Chirag, who's playing Bhushan Bhatt's character, or Jai, who's playing Pranav Shet's character. In fact, Hemant Khair, who's playing my brother's character. So we are all from theatre background, and we have done a lot of theatre together. So that was a very, very easy for me. And then there are senior actors like Rajat. When he came on set, he got a different power with him. He's so effortless. Satish Kaushik, he's so effortless. So I guess set पे कभी ऐसा कोई serious माहौल रहता नहीं था.
How is Hansal Mehta to work with? Because he's someone who's really respected for the kind of work that he's done, the kind of movies he's made. So is he like a very serious taskmaster kind of director, or I mean, how is he? You please tell me.
That was my impression about him before I went on set and before I met him, because I had seen his earlier films like City and Aligarh and all those films. So I thought he must be a serious guy. And when I met him for the first time, he is the most chilled out director I've ever worked with. He's so cool, and he's completely actor's director. So he lets you explore the character the way you want. Okay. Of course, he'll guide you for a very little and a small and a very fine thing that he'll talk about to you about, right? So I just spoke to somebody that Hansal Mehta is not a coach who will take a bat in his hand and play the shot and tell you that. He'll talk to you and he'll make you understand that how to play the shot. Then he creates magic, I guess. That's how he creates magic.
If Harshad Mehta would have been alive today, would you have met him? What would you have told him?
Oh, I would have loved to meet him, if that would have been possible by any chance. But yes, so there is a lot to learn from him as an individual, because I find this entire character very passionate about whatever that he wanted to achieve. That's a separate thing altogether than which route that you choose. But the passion is something that intrigues me.
So what would you have asked? Maybe would you have asked, why did you do this? Or would you have said, I really love your passion? What would you have told him?
I think I would have asked for the tip to invest.
Okay. In fact, I wanted to ask you, now that you have actually lived his life, at least on reel, and know the nitty-gritties of how this whole stock market works, will you be like investing in stocks sometime soon, or have you already invested?
No, yeah, I know I'm a Gujarati guy, so everybody thinks that we always invest in stocks and we are a business people. But I'm coming from a teacher's family, and we have never done any business or never invested in stocks. But yeah, it is an interesting field. So I guess I will surely explore it. I would love to explore and learn about it in detail.
Thank you so much. So it was lovely speaking with you. Pratik Gandhi,
thank you
again,
very much.
I'm repeating, one of the hottest actors right now on the OTT platform was in conversation with us. Thank you, Pratik, and all the best for whatever you're working on and whatever you'll be working on next.
Thank you very much for having me, and thank you very much for all the praises. It means a lot to me, and I'm absolutely humbled by all the love that is pouring from all the sides.